So we're almost live. We're almost back on YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, we are back there. All right. Okay, Ms. Scall, Attorney Scall, you are representing Brittany Lloyd, correct?
That is correct.
And you submitted a bond to me. The trafficking methamphetamines is 58,000. You and Ms. Attorney Freeman consented to this 58,000 on the trafficking, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, 1,000, and drug-related objects, 1,000, which is a total $60,000 bond. I typically on the trafficking, that's a little low for trafficking. Explain to me why we're at that level.
And I do understand that, Judge. The issue is, and I don't have the full file with me, but this is obviously a co-defendant case. If I remember correctly, what this is, the marijuana and the drug-related object were actually found on my client. This is a vehicle stop and search. She was not the driver. There is a co-defendant who is the driver and I think owner of the car. And the drugs were located in the car, not necessarily in her presence. The family has been very active in touch with me. They have property that will get her out on a property bond. The $85,000 that they were out, they just did not have enough equity, but they can actually have her out of the jail at that amount.
And Ms. Call, I had indicated to Judge Dallas that speaking with narcotics agents on this, that Miss Lloyd, there was no issue with Miss Lloyd with her having a bond. In fact, I think if I recall, she was cooperative with them. I don't believe there were any issues. She does not have a prior history that I was able to locate from having her GCIC pulled, and that was the reason for the recommendation of a total of the $60,000 on the bond. And I believe that Jared Peel was the co-defendant, and he was the one who, where he was the driver of that car. I think he got out and ran, if I'm recalling correctly, but the drugs were found where he was sitting.
So she was a passenger is what you're saying? Ms. Lloyd was a passenger in the vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
And what is her history? What is her criminal history?
I'm not showing that she has any criminal history, Your Honor.
Okay. What about Mr. Peel? What is his bond?
I have to try to pull, let me see if I can get Ms. Brookins to pull his history right there. I don't have that.
God bless you.
Thank you, Judge.
He was on our April 6th calendar.
He was on the preliminary hearing calendar for April 6th?
Yes, because Miss Camille Riddick, actually, we had a hearing.
Let me see. I might be able to. Oh my gosh, I've got everything.
I think it's Jared Peel. Is that?
Jared, yes.
Jared Peel.
Jared.
And he has holds, Judge. I'm looking at him on the jail track now, and no bond set at this point.
Yeah, we did a hearing on his.
And she was a passenger.
Yes.
I would ask for two things to be added. I would ask for her to have a GPS monitor. I would also ask for her to have a curfew.
That's fine, Judge. Both of those provisions were on the original bond, so there would be no objection to that.
And then she needs to stay away from the co-defendant. I don't have that marked off on my form either. So let's add those. Okay. Do you want me to just add that, and then can I check those boxes off with the two of your consents?
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm going to check the box off that the defendant shall stay away from, and his name is Jared Peel, Jared.
Yes, P-E-E-L.
She shall be fitted with an ankle monitor prior to release from jail, and she will have a curfew, which nowadays we all have a curfew, don't we?
Yes.
7 a.m. Must not violate any laws while on bond. So I checked up, that was already kind of checked, but
Mhm.
I want to make sure that that is adequately checked. All right. Well, based on your presentation, Ms. Scall, and your consent to everything, and of course, Attorney Freeman, you have a far better ability to research this, files and that type of thing,
Mhm.
to everyone who I'm looking at. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll consent to that, or I'll go ahead and agree to that bond.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome, Ms. Scall.
May I be excused again?
Absolutely, again.
Thank you.
You can be excused for good now. Thank you, Ms. Scall. Take good care of yourself, okay?
You too, Judge.
Okay,
See
thank you.
Carla. And Your Honor, if I can, I guess mute myself and stop the video. I need to call Mr. Prothero for a minute.
Okay. And he said his client needed an interpreter.
Well,
This
no,
is the
it's the
client that we
witness.
had the privilege.
No, it's
Oh,
the
the
witness.
witness.
Mhm.
Okay, I was
Yeah.
not really clear about that. All right, so not only are you going to excuse yourself, I'm going to excuse myself.
Okay. And then we'll be back.
And I'll send you the Brittany Lloyd. I'm gonna reply all to the same email that I replied to when I signed off on
Okay.
the other bond. Okay.
Judge, sorry, excuse me. I got a hold of Miss Deja, so she's gonna come on. She's
Okay.
gonna be on too.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so I'll be waiting for her to wait in the waiting room. I'm gonna
Okay.
the YouTube so we can have a quick. Let's say it is 10:12. Let's just get back on at 10:30.
Okay, Judge.
All right, thank you.